everybody. Welcome to week 6. Again, I apologize for not getting everything graded that you turned in a week ago. Conference in California was great. The topic was diversity, equity, and inclusion. But with traveling to California, I lost a couple days and I'm just really behind on grading right now. So I apologize. I will get last week's done and this week's done much faster. This week, so I've sent you all the link to do the IDI, which I think is listed. No, it's not. But this is the week where you've got an assignment related to the Intercultural Development Inventory. As I posted in the announcement, I've created a Google Drive so you can sign up for a one-on-one meeting. I was formally trained to be a qualified administrator, and part of that process is that you don't give people their results without meeting with them one-on-one to explain and help them interpret the results. So once you get the IDI complete, hopefully I found it. If I haven't sent you your results yet and you have completed it, just send me an email reminder. We don't have to have the discussion this week. You don't have to write this journal this week, just before I have to turn in the grades. Same goes for the ESCI. I know some of you had problems getting people to respond. Again, just as you think you have enough raters, let me know. If I haven't sent you your results yet, let me know and I'll send them to you. And the same thing with that journal. So just as long as we get it done by the end of the session before I have to turn in grades. So this week, I called it leadership development, but really what I want you to think about is knowing yourself, knowing something about others, and also now or soon knowing about your emotional intelligence competencies. How can you improve and develop, or just start thinking about it? So what do we have? Keep reviewing the emotional intelligence book. The Bartleby reading assignment will be interesting. A couple videos for you, and the empathy map. So the discussion board, first time I used this last year. You will probably have an emotional reaction to reading this. It's a tough read, and I want you to be aware, so you're practicing some emotional intelligence just by reading it and trying to make it through all the way to the end of the reading. I learned this from the students last year. So basically, I want you to evaluate the emotional intelligence of the characters in the story. But this is a classic that's not the easiest to read. So post your response, which we've also got some of those going, and respond to at least 2 other posts. So this is another tool. So both of these are activities to help you develop your empathy competency. Some of you will score high on it, but those of you that don't already, it can be a challenge to develop empathy when it doesn't come naturally to you. So the empathy map exercise asks you to find someone to interview using the map. You're going to ask this person to describe a problem they're struggling with, or something they keep thinking about, kind of ruminating on, and use this map to try to really understand the person and what they're experiencing. So you want to try to put yourself in this person's shoes and understand. So it's not sympathy, it's not feeling bad for them, but it's trying to feel what they feel, so that in your role as a leader or a spouse or a team member or a colleague, you can empathize with them and develop a stronger relationship. So see what you come up with for that. The final journal is reflecting on your IDI results. Okay, so I will meet with you, explain the results, and actually I need to put the link in here. There's a module with a video that tells you about the IDI. So the 5 basic categories that it sorts people in. So let me know if you have any questions about that. And otherwise, I'll look forward to meeting each of you face to face in person on Zoom. Let me know if you have any questions.